Hi, Michael Lasky here, and I'm making a video for featurebugger.com as I am going to bug you for a feature that may be a bug, but also just might be a support request. And so this is for a cool little plugin called WP Cache Plus. Oddly named, I believe, but nonetheless a handy little tool if you can get it to work right, and that's what I'm trying to do here. So you create a split test for any one object, and the object I'm split testing right here is this banner ad in my sidebar. So I have 4 different banner ads that I've placed in there, different creatives, and what I'm trying to test whether or not it's working is just the fact that it's rotating appropriately. I'm just going to refresh that page, and there it did rotate to a different image. You can see that one's got a little different spin, and I'll refresh this one again and see if we can get it to show another graphic. And there's another one, Batman and Robin. So I got 4 creatives here. But my question is this, is that in the split test I created, you just simply create one here, and then it gives you a short code, and here's the short code that I was generated, and you can wrap it in this trigger short code, and then you can edit that. And if you edit it, you'll see here's the anchors around my image, and it's just a simple piece of code. I have 4 images, and if I remove these or reorganize these, then I end up with a reset of the stats. So I'm not going to do that right now. But my question is that when I go to the stats, I always seem to have version 1 as dramatically higher results than the rest of them. And so to me that's sort of screaming out something's wrong, especially when I did arrange or rearrange these. I took out one, moved it here, took out. Always it seems the first one is getting more clicks. So I had this one over here the first time I did this test, and I had way more clicks here. So I just want to make sure if I'm doing this correctly, and I just want to show you quickly the widget that this is in, and I think it's right here. And so here's the short code I have in here. Trigger equals 1, opening short code tag, then the WP Cache Plus equals 1, and then the closing trigger tag. So I just want to make sure I have that done correctly, and see if this is a bug or just some support request that I'm requiring for this cool little plugin. That's all for now. I'm Michael Lasky.